Happening at Roy Thompson Hall, it's the premiere of The Public. Now, The Public is a new feature by Emilio Tevez. And it's basically about sit-in patrons at a public library find themselves in like a police standoff and a media sideshow. Now, we have an all-star cast here, including Emilio Tevez, Alec Baldwin, Taylor Schilling, Jeffrey Wright, Jenna Malone, Gabrielle Union, Christian Slater, and Michael K. Williams. Now, film chronicles issues surrounding homelessness, mental health, poverty, along with other stuff such as low-income community housing. And then got basically the standoff in the library, alright? So, be very quiet while you're in the library, alright? Be very quiet indeed. Yeah. Got all kinds of stars that like walk the red carpet here. Alright. Such stars include Alec Baldwin, Taylor Schilling. Taylor Schilling was like pink dress and like had a pink purse. Then we have other stunning actresses such as Gabrielle Union. Yeah. They're all around signing pics, along with Christian Slater. Now, Michael K. Williams basically walked the red carpet in his, like, little style. Alright? Basically what he did. So yeah, Public's premiering today at Roy Thompson Hall.